This thing works great. Fits right in my window. And then you have your on button for the speed. Then this will basically make it go the other way and pull the air out that way. So if I'm in my kitchen, it might help. Then we have exchange. One goes in, one goes out. So this one is pulling out, this one is in. So it's been a great balance that I'm very happy with. Easy installation.
Oh well.
Not plugged in. I mean, it's plugged in, not turned on.
Okay, guys, is everybody back?
Windows closed and locked.